G'day, it's Chriso. This is a bathroom that I'm about to start stripping out. It's going to be tiled from floor to ceiling. It's going to have a larger walk-in shower, so I'll come out to about there, the slope. I'll come out with my glass 1200, so it'll just be one sheet of glass, strip drain at the back, new vanity, standalone bath. I strip all this out today. Today's Thursday. I'll be resheeting and tidying up tomorrow, ready for the plumber. He will fit a new mixing valve there, a new mixer there where the taps are. He's going to have to lift them up probably slightly because the freestanding baths are slightly higher. Everything comes tomorrow, gets delivered, so we're laughing. It's all good. See ya.